Hey everybody, so it is officially fall time here on my channel. I'm doing my very first fall tutorial, and luckily I was getting ready to do a tutorial on this particular palette anyway. It's the perfect one I think for fall. It has a lot of fall colors in it. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you. This is the, what is this called? The Rockstar palette from the Balm. The Balm Jovi palette. They have all these sort of silly musical named products in it, as you can see. They're kind of broken up, so these are the more glittery ones. These ones are all matte in the middle here, and then on this side here is going to be sort of like your light shimmers. I did use a couple of mattes and a couple of the super sparkly shades, although I gotta say, not a lot of payoff on the glitter here, buddy. So, I don't know. I also used the blush and the highlighter. It also does come with these little sort of lip cheek creams, but as you guys probably know from my last The Balm palette, I hate those things. I hate the texture, I hate the way they feel. They kind of feel to me like those little palettes that you used to get when you're freaking fly. Okay, like those little palettes that you used to get when you were a kid that had like the sort of beginner level lipstick stuff. There is a fly in here and it is seriously irritating me. It has been buzzing around my face the entire time I've been putting my makeup on. Anyways, so I did do my base and my eyebrows and my contour and bronzer off camera, but I did do the rest of it on camera. I didn't use the lip obviously from this, but I did use a new lip product that I got from LA Splash Cosmetics, which it's one of these Smitten Liptint Mousse things. It's like a liquid to matte lipstick. It's weird because it doesn't feel like it's set, even though it is. It kind of feels odd on. I'm not sure how I feel about it. But I got it because it is named after one of my favorite characters from Harry Potter, which is, I think it's Lovegood. I love Luna Lovegood. She's like my favorite. So I got a couple of other ones from that line too. So that's pretty exciting. Anyway, so if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep watching.
Okay, first we're going to do some swatches. These are the metallic ones. And I found that these ones didn't have as much glitter as I expected them to. Next are the mattes. I found that these ones were a bit patchy in application. And these ones are the shimmers. And again, not too much shimmer in there, but I was really disappointed with that sort of black colored one because in the pan it looks like it's going to be this gorgeous shimmery dark blue and it's sad. Now I'm doing the cheek products. The two left ones are the powders and the two right ones are the creams. The powders I found just much better application, much smoother, much more consistent. First going in with Adagio, I'm patting this all over the eyelid and up to the brow. This will just help the eyeshadows to blend better later. Now I'm going in with Allegro, and with a fluffy crease brush, I'm just going to pop that into the crease. Pretty diffused, I'm not going to do anything too concentrated. As I said before, the mattes were kind of patchy, so I did find I have to go back and forth in the eyeshadow, blend and blend and blend, and keep on going in until I liked the application. going into Presto, and I'm just going to put this into the crease really defined and sort of concentrated, but it ends up getting covered up later by the eyelid color. I just wanted to go in with this color so that I had a stopping point for my lid color since I'm using something kind of dark. I didn't want to go up too high, and this is a good way for me to determine where I should be stopping my eyelid color. Because I do have very hooded eyelids, it's kind of hard for me to tell where my eyelid ends when my eyelid is flat like that. Now going into Led Zeppelin, I'm just going to pat this all over the eyelid. Blend it out with my crease brush from earlier. These eyeshadows tend to blend away once you start blending and not just patting, so you might have to go back and forth into the eyeshadow and then blend and then put some more on until you're satisfied. I'm also going to take that same dark brown color along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to blend it out with the lighter brown color from the crease. Now I'm going into Iron Maiden, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner and a little bit just at the top of my brow bone. I tightlined my upper lash line and rimmed my lower lash line and did my mascara with all of my 3 favorite mascaras. These are the products I used. Now I'm going into the powder blush, and I'm popped this pretty heavily along my cheekbones, but it doesn't look as crazy in person as it does on camera. For some reason it just picks it up a lot. And then I'm going to take the powder luminizer and just put that on the top of the cheekbones and my Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to use my LA Splash in Lovegood on my lips. After this, I ended up wearing it for quite a long while, but I did find that it wears off pretty easily. It's not one of those that you need an oil to remove. It actually will start to sort of ball up and peel off of your lips. So not super long lasting, so that's a little disappointing, but I still love this color. I just wish it lasted longer. Alright, so that's the final look. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Oh my god, are you serious? I actually hit you and you're not dead.